When it comes to remote control cars, most people probably think of small toy-like cars bought from hobby shops. Well, a Dutch inventor by the name of Bjorn has created two life-size remote control replica cars from the 80s. One of them is Kit from the TV show Knight Rider, and the other is the DeLorean from the movie Back to the Future. But these cars are no toys. They are fully functioning drivable cars that are street legal, that can also be completely operated using a remote control with different levers and buttons for brakes, headlights, throttle, steering and gear selection. Bjorn got the idea to build his own full-size remote control car when he was 8 years old, after watching the TV show Knight Rider. Over the years, he watched a lot of YouTube videos of people converting full-size cars to remote control, but all of the RC conversions had very large bulky motors and actuators inside, which did not appeal to him. So Bjorn's goal was to take converting a car to remote control to the next level and build all of the controls out of sight, so the interior looked completely stock and the car could still be used for daily use without controls getting in the way. But first, he had to test his skills and see if he could even convert a car to be operated by remote control. So he used his current car, which was a 2006 Corvette. Designing the remote control system for the Corvette took him 1 year, and then it took an extra 3 months to build the prototype system, and 3 more months to make the prototype safer and easier to control. Now that Bjorn was confident in his RC conversion skills, he proceeded to build his dream car from Knight Rider. Bjorn built his replica Kit from the ground up from an '89 Firebird Trans Am and converted it not only into Kit, but a remote control kit. Since I've already done a complete build video on Kit once before, I'm going to skip over that part, because if you've seen one replica Kit build, you've seen them all. But what I will show you are the highlights of the finished car and the various remote control mechanics in it. Once the car was fully complete, Bjorn took it to an empty parking lot to have some fun and to show off what it could do. Over time, Bjorn posted all of his RC conversions and builds on his YouTube channel, and one of his fans approached him and asked if he can convert a Back to the Future DeLorean replica to operate on remote control. The DeLorean replica was already complete, it just needed an RC conversion, so there isn't much to show you in regards to a build on this car. But what makes this DeLorean so special is it's supposed to be the only remote control Back to the Future DeLorean replica in the world.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
When it was finished, they took the DeLorean to an empty parking lot to test it out. Bjorn did extensive work to not only convert the DeLorean to remote control, but he also built a movie replica remote control, like you see Doc Brown use in the movie. Neither of these cars are considered to be 100% screen accurate, but they are very close. What sets them aside from other replicas is that they are both remote control, and that makes them very unique and special. The DeLorean is considered to be the only remote control replica in the world, and kit is not only street legal and can be driven daily to get from A to B, but can also be taken to parking lots and driven like an RC car for fun. What more could you ask for? Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.